The question number 2 on test 1 part 2 says that a vector A has a length of 2 units and is directed to the north. So positive. And then we have that a vector B is equal to -5. It's directed 5 units to the south. And we're asked to find A minus B. So if we just plug in the numbers that we got as our vectors, we'll see that A minus B is equal to 2 in the j direction minus 5 in the negative j direction. And this is equal to 2j plus 5j because these negatives cancel out. So then we're left with plus 7j. So the answer would be B, 7 units north.